Looking here at the potential for a long based off effectively a revaluation coming into the RBA minutes. So, they've just provided a summary and we can see that there is now a distinct pre-RBA, post-RBA valuation. And we're at the bottom of the post-RBA valuation. You've got multiple failures here that all line up with the close of prior week VWAP. We have in the short term, obviously a bit of a skew to the downside. So if that changes in the short term, then absolutely you'll be looking at a long. So not much business done down here at the lows. Okay, so I've worked a long because I just saw a whole bunch of failed attempts to move down on a very myopic basis. So on side, you can probably see failures by stepping in at higher levels. Now we're back into the guts of this valuation. So this is, do we move from here? Don't know. We might just hang around and rotate because that's where there's a lot of business that's currently traded. So a bit for me to concentrate on here, given I'm dealing with pretty small movements. Okay, now you got some acceptance. So this is finally starting to show signs. I wouldn't say it's smooth sailing yet, but happy to be long. Haven't successfully moved beyond this VWAP as it just came off. You're getting an indication of the speed. I really do need to sort of focus on the ladder here in the tape. First time didn't get there. I got out of that. I've actually had a subsequent go which didn't work either. And I'm back on again. Right, so what we do know is there's a revaluation that has held. But I spoke about who's in the market, right? And the shorts highlighted, the amateurs were the likely ones who traded off an outdated area. They don't have the room in their trades that some of the pros do. So they're likely all out. So in order for this to continue, what do we need? A new acquisition of shorts. What have we been just building now? Exactly that. So that's why I'm so aggressive here to get back long again, because I recognize that this is a genuine revaluation. It just needed more shorts in it. And again, it's that thing. The market tells you what to do. If you do the right work and you can understand it, and this is what makes trading a joy, is just when you can work out what the game is, what the deal is. So have a think about the protective orders up here. This is short covering now. Remember, low acceptance above. So just took some profits into this. It's kind of expansion too. I know I don't have the little bubble. I'll put it up there, but I basically, you saw the short covering just rip through here. I mentioned it before we got there. We knew there's going to be some likely stops up there. We've moved into expansion. The underlying key of that trade was build around an outdated transition area and understanding that the only ones to get trapped by that are amateurs. So they just don't have the room in their trades, generally over leveraged, and they're gone. So the market had to get new shorts into. It wasn't just, hey, get long here. It was all the recognizing the way that different participants in the market manage their trades. So post-expansion's always the time when the odds increase significantly of just giving back money. I know this from having just worked through the stats. So, I'm always reluctant to get too eager to do anything. I just think it's a great opportunity to sit back and observe. So think about who that was. That was all the shorts. It's not a big group of shorts, is it? So that's why you saw the market only move as far as expansion.